Hi loves, and welcome to my channel, and I'm just going to spend a few days with you guys. Right now I'm just switching out these jars that I picked up from Home Goods that I showed you guys in my last vlog, because my sink is very cluttered and I'm just trying to figure out which way I'm going with my master bathroom. This is not a permanent fixture right now. It's just something that I can do, that I can just declutter and have more sink space.
Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with me. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission. No missionary getting boring. Switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been down, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the mission. You wish it was even what it was.
So this is me right now, just kind of looking over everything, and I actually think I like it and it's going to work. I do like that I have more space, and yeah. Alright love, so I actually am thinking about having a Galentine's, and I want to be able to give the girls a gift that come. And I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers, LoveNicole, and this is what she does whenever she does a gift giving. She makes these really cute like glitter bottles for her friends, and I was thinking, hey, I can do that for my girls that come to my Galentine's. So I just kind of wanted to add it in the video so you guys can see what it looks like, and also see if this is something that I can give to the girls that do attend. But y'all know I've been looking for new Tupperware, and look what I found on Target. Y'all, I was scrolling Instagram and these popped up, and I had to get them. Like, I grew up in the 90s, so if you don't remember these, like, did you really grow up in the 90s? Like, everybody mama and grandmama had these. Like, my nana and my big mama, they had I want to say my nana had orange, or her mom had I think olive green or something. But y'all, these are so cute. These are the top, so good. Y'all, I absolutely love these. When I saw them, I had to pick them up. They were a bit pricey, but I remember my grandma telling me that back in the day they were kind of pricey too. But I got like 32 pieces, and y'all, how cute are these? Look at these little minis. And like, I remember like our stuff would like fall out the refrigerator and nothing would like come out. Like, once these things are on, they are on. And she told me just like running it up on the hot water so that the top will work. But y'all, I got all kind of different shapes and sizes for my leftovers, for meal preps, for salads and soups, just different things like that. I'm really excited about this Cookware set. Do y'all remember when I was talking about it? And the color is so pretty. This is like a pink color. And like I said, I got them from Target online. My local Target was sold out, even from like the 2-piece sets, but I was able to pick up this one, y'all. So yeah, I just love them. And then like this little plum color. This is pretty. These are so pretty. They're so pretty. Like I really don't want to use them. And this right here is coming up like it's coming up darker than what it actually is, but it's more of like a coral. Like on camera it looks kind of like red, but it's not red, y'all. But these are so cute. Can't wait to use them. Okay, love, so this is going to be the area for my Bartisain, y'all. My husband did an amazing job for Christmas. When I tell y'all, my Christmas this year was so good. Like, I am truly blessed, and I love that man. And like every year it just keeps getting better and better and better. So I'm going to set up my Bartisain with you guys. I'm going to have the Bartisain over here. I really did not want to move my wine rack, but I'm like, I just want to put my Keurig, and I didn't want to put it on my counter. So this area right here is going to be for like all our like drinks and stuff like that. So I have my Keurig over here, my Bartisain over here, and I'll just put the wine rack away. And maybe I can use it just around the holidays, whenever I have like guests over, whatever. So yeah, you guys, but let's go ahead and kind of get started with setting up the coffee station. I think I want to do that. Don't mind my appearance. I've had a long day, a long day, but let's go ahead and get started with setting this station up, you guys. All right, love, so I know I probably look real weird, you guys, but I am super tired. I had to go up and get some ultrasounds done. I don't know if I've told you guys, but like 2 years ago I was diagnosed with stage 3 endometriosis, and it has truly been a struggle. It's coming up on 2 years that I've been on my treatment medicine, and I've just really, like the last couple of months, around the time I would initially have a cycle, like it's been really hard, very much painful and discomfort. So when I went for my annual about a week or 2 ago, it didn't go well at all. So my doctor just sent me in for like a pelvic ultrasound as well as a stomach ultrasound. And my appointment was like scheduled for like 9:30. Yeah, we didn't leave till 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. And you know, the staff there, the nurses, they were so nice, so sweet, but having endometriosis, it sucks. Like it sucks. It's not for the weak. It's not. And you know, as women, we go through so much. Like men just don't understand. We go through so much. But I'm praying for the best. I know everything is going to come back okay. I'm not gonna stress over. I prayed about it. I've given it to God, and I know everything's gonna be okay, whatever the outcome may be. But I do kind of want to know what it is going on with me, because I'm tired of feeling like this. I'm just tired of like having an anxious feeling every time it's supposed to be my cycle, because of my treatment medicine. Like I don't have periods like at all. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So that's probably why I'm like feeling down. I do want to go ahead and get started on my coffee station and set up my Bartisain, but I'm just tired. I'm wore out. I need to wash my hair. I kind of want to record myself doing that as well, but I don't know. But I also need to put this Tupperware up because it's been out on the counters for a while, and I don't like a lot of stuff being on the counter at all. So when I figure out what I'm going to do next, I'll pick you guys back up.
He's making you always stay alive. Ain't got to do. It's like off too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. Too fast. It's like off too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. My calls on you were needed. When am I today? And I ain't see us. I thought of you while I was working. So try to look for you. How you're hurting.
Alright guys, so that is what my new pot situation is looking like. I love the Calphalon. I was a bit surprised about the size, but it's okay. I still have my older pot set, so that's totally fine. Let me show you guys. That's my juicer that I'm not using. And I also like reorganized like all of my different like spirits, like wine and, you know, like rums and everything, like our drinks and stuff. So for right now, that's gonna go there. And then, so I think I did a pretty good job on that. And over here, like I said, I'm gonna have my Bartisain. And I need to open it up because I think it's like rum, vodka, gin, and tequila. I think those are the ones that goes in the Bartisain, but I'm gonna do that video this weekend. I can't wait to have me a few cocktails in my Bartisain. And this is everything I have for the coffee thing. I'm really not gonna do like a coffee station as much, but I'm gonna set up the coffee here. Like I said, my sister got it for me for Christmas, and she picked us up this vanilla K-cups things or whatever. And then when I was out shopping at Marshall's with my daughter, because my husband, they actually are the coffee drinkers in the family, she was like, Mom, can we go ahead and get these? So I picked up the cinnamon roll. Of course, she loves hot chocolate, and y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how to make hot chocolate. That is so good, so good, so good. And of course, we picked up the donut shop regular because I, you know, just thought that would be a good one for us to have. And I think I'm going to use this like little drawer organizer right here for the K-cups to go in. And everything that I have in this drawer, I'm going to take these out, and I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to use this drawer right here for like K-cups and tea and different things like that. So when I get ready to do that, I'll probably get up early Saturday morning and kind of put all of this stuff together, y'all. But I'm so glad that this is cleared out. Like, it's no longer full of boxes and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog, and I'll see you guys later.